Website login issues can stem from several factors. Firstly, the website might be undergoing scheduled maintenance, temporarily affecting login functionality. Secondly, browser cache and cookies could be interfering with the login process. Thirdly, an account lockout might occur due to multiple incorrect login attempts. Fourthly, server overload, caused by high traffic, can lead to delays or login failures. Fifthly, a firewall or virtual private network (VPN) may be blocking access to the website's login page. To troubleshoot these issues, begin by clearing your browser's cache and cookies. This removes stored information that may be causing conflicts. If you are using a VPN or firewall, try disabling it temporarily to see if it resolves the problem. Using a different browser to access the website can help determine if the issue is browser-specific. Opening your browser in incognito or private mode prevents the website from storing browsing data, potentially bypassing login problems. Checking the website's official social media pages or help center can provide information about maintenance or widespread login issues.